Hello guys, today we will know how to change author's name of a WordPress post. This can be done in different ways. I will show you how easily you can do it. So let's get started to the video. Method 1. How to change the author from the block editor. By default, every WordPress website has Gutenberg block editor. To change the author from the block editor, first you have to open the post. On the right side, you can see a sidebar. If you notice here, you can see Author under the Post Format option. Then click on the Author box. Now you can see a list of authors. Select one of them whom you want to add as a new author. After selection, hit the Update button to save the change. See how simple it is. Through the block editor, you have changed the author name successfully. Method 2. How to change the author from the Classic editor. If you are using Classic Editor, simply go to the post where you want to make the change. You'll see Screen Options in the upper section of your post. Click on the Screen Options. It will show you a menu list. Then click on Author box. Author option will now appear on your post screen. Now select the name of the author you want to add. And hit the Update button. Finally, you have changed the author's name successfully. Method 3. How to change the author from Quick Edit. To change the author's name, quickly go to the post. Then All Posts page. Here you can see the Quick Edit option under every post. Hover your mouse on the post where you want to change the author's name. When you hover the mouse on the post, Quick Edit option will be visible. Now click on Quick Edit option. After clicking, here you can see Author options. Click on the name of your current author and select the new one from the list of whom you want to add a new author. Now press the Update button. Look how simply and quickly you have changed the author's name. Method 4. How to change the author of multiple WordPress posts. To do this, you need to go to Posts, then All Posts page. Now go to Screen Options. Here you will see just 20 posts by default, but you can change the post list from 20 to 40. Then, Apply. Now select the All Posts one by one to change the author. When you have all done, then click on the Bulk action. Then, Edit option. Then hit the Apply button. You will see the Author box. Click on it and select the author's name from the list. Then click on Update button. That was the process to change the author of multiple WordPress posts. You can change the author's name anytime with these 4 easy methods. Hope the video will be useful for you. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel.